Is this even real? This creature can change color, shape, and even disappear. Meet the octopus, the ocean's ultimate escape artist, and maybe the closest thing to an alien on Earth. It has 9 brains, 3 hearts, blue blood, and it can solve puzzles faster than some humans. Some scientists even wonder, did octopuses come from space? If octopuses were in a sci-fi movie, you'd call it fake. But guess what? It's all real. Still think it's just a sea creature? Drop a poitsang if you're officially mind blown.